Have you ever dreamed of owning an exotic car? A machine that is more than mere transportation, but an extension of your personality and style? Imagine cruising down the highway in a car that turns heads, its roar echoing off the asphalt. Such is the allure of owning an exotic car. It's about prestige, power, and the sheer joy of driving. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of these dream-worthy machines, counting down the top 5 car manufacturers. So buckle up. Let's dive into the world of luxury and speed and explore the top 5 dream-worthy car manufacturers. At number 5, we have the Italian stallion Ferrari. This iconic brand, born in the heart of Italy, is renowned worldwide for its unparalleled blend of speed, design, and luxury. From the LaFerrari, a hybrid powerhouse, to the 488 GTB, a testament to engineering perfection, Ferrari's models are the epitome of automotive excellence. With their unique features and breathtaking speed, they capture the essence of Italian craftsmanship. Ferrari, with its prancing horse emblem, has long been a symbol of speed, luxury, and exclusivity. Moving on to number 4, we have the German precision, Porsche. This brand is all about the marriage of engineering and design. Take, for instance, the iconic Porsche 911, a symbol of power and elegance, or the electric Porsche Taycan, a testament to the future of automotive excellence. These cars showcase Porsche's commitment to performance, demonstrating unique features like unparalleled handling and race-inspired mechanics. Porsche, a testament to German engineering, offers a blend of luxury and performance that is hard to resist. At number 3, we celebrate the British luxury, Aston Martin. From its royal roots to its cutting-edge design, Aston Martin is a testament to British craftsmanship at its finest. The iconic models, such as the Aston Martin DB11 and the Aston Martin Vantage, are more than just automobiles. They're a statement of luxury and power. With their unique features and meticulous attention to detail, each model promises a driving experience unlike any other. Aston Martin, the epitome of British luxury, offers a driving experience that is as sophisticated as it is exhilarating. Coming in at number 2, we have the American muscle, Tesla. Tesla is redefining the automotive world with its cutting-edge technology and innovation. With popular models like the Model S and the Roadster, Tesla showcases not only high performance but also sustainability. These cars are not just vehicles, they're an experience, boasting unique features that make every ride a luxury. Tesla, a revolution in the automotive industry, offers a blend of performance and sustainability that is reshaping our perception of luxury cars. And finally, at number 1, we have the French elegance Bugatti. Rising from the ashes of history, Bugatti has etched its name in the annals of luxury and performance. This prestigious brand, founded in the early 20th century, has been delivering masterpieces on wheels for over 100 years. The Bugatti Veyron, a marvel of engineering, has been a coveted jewel in the crown of Bugatti, boasting unparalleled speed and a design that is simply breathtaking. Another gem in their lineup is the Bugatti Chiron, a testament to Bugatti's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a car can be. With its unique features, including a quad-turbocharged W16 engine and a top speed that surpasses 260 miles per hour, it's no wonder it's a dream car for many. From its rich history to its innovative present, Bugatti continues to redefine luxury and performance. Bugatti, the pinnacle of luxury and performance, is the ultimate dream car for any car enthusiast. In the world of exotic cars, these 5 manufacturers stand out for their design, performance, and luxury. From the fiery passion of Ferrari, the meticulous craftsmanship of Porsche, the opulent charm of Aston Martin, the innovative prowess of Tesla, to the grandeur of Bugatti, each brand has a unique allure. Their vehicles aren't just modes of transport, they are dreams personified, embodiments of aspiration and achievement. Whether it's the Italian stallion, the German precision, the British luxury, the American muscle, or the French elegance, each of these cars represents a dream that, for some lucky few, becomes a reality. If you've enjoyed this high-speed journey through the world of exotic cars, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. Which one of these cars is your dream ride? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And remember, to stay in the loop with our latest videos, make sure to hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this ride, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.